Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learn English with me. In this video, I am going to share 15 basic English phrases which you must know. So far, abhi tak. Example, so far you are doing well. Fret not, चिंता मत कीजिए. Example, fret not, it's not a big deal. You just made my day. तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया. Example, oh mom, you just made my day. Take it easy. आराम से. Example, take it easy. Don't put pressure on yourself. I gotta go. मुझे जाना होगा. Example, I gotta go. Mom must be waiting for me. Asked in, to invite. I was asked in for the party yesterday. Run out of ideas. कुछ उपाय नहीं सूझना. Example, he just ran out of ideas. Things are looking up. चीज़ें सुधर रही है. Example, well, things are looking up. Give it a go. Try करना. Example, I have never sat on a horse before, but I will give it a go. That's that. That's final. Example, you are going to your home and that's that. No more excuses. Having good taste. पसंद अच्छी होना. Example, you have a good taste. Hang on. इंतज़ार करना. Example, can you hang on for a minute? It's a piece of cake. बहुत आसान होना. Example, the exam was a piece. Up your game. Improve करो. Example, up your game, you can do this. Keep me in the loop. मुझे बताते रहना. Example, I really want to know what happens, so keep me in the loop.